Hello students of Standard 10. Once again, I Sudhir Kumar in front of you with chapter power sharing. No doubt, in last videos, we have discussed about the contents of this chapter. Right? In real sense, we will start today the chapter power sharing. Right? Whenever you will see your book, it was just started with case studies, right? The objective behind this, that whenever you will see the actual condition of two countries, then you can understand very clearly the topic power sharing, right? But I just decided that with the starting of two example, I will give you a short definition or short information what is power sharing, right? Then we will come on the book topic, right? So before starting this chapter, I just give you its definition. What is power sharing? As from name it is clear, sharing means division of power. If we talk about political science is nothing but the game of the governance or ruling. Political science is nothing but it is the game or the complex game of ruling and governance, right? So you can say here power sharing is a part of ruling. Power sharing is a type of system as the ruling system can be made more influenceable. Another aspect, try to understand what type of ruling should be happened. If you will see the history, then you will find that the most of the revolution just happened around the world for only this purpose, that power should be not centralized within one hand. As the monarchical ruling was also opposed in different regions of the world, perhaps due to only one reason, that power was just centralized within one hand rulers. So for the division of the power, whatever the different revolution just happened around the world. So which type of power be divided? How the power be divided? As more and more participation of the public happened. So you can define the power sharing is a system through which more and more peoples, more and more community of people, more and more group of people just made participant in the government, as they can make decision for every community and group of people of the nation. Dear students, understand this topic more clearly, or with what means that power sharing should be a system in which there should be the role of people become much more important, and people feel themselves they are just playing the crucial role for the ruling of the nation, right? I think now it is clear to everyone what is power sharing. Power sharing is a system in which it is made participation of the people more and more for the formation of government. Right? Means for stopping of the power centralized within one hand, it is a system. Right? Now see, few definitions just I have written on the whiteboard, then it will clear much more. Right? Now, power sharing, a policy agreed between the political parties or within a coalition to share responsibility for decision making and political action. Right? Meaning to say that what is power sharing? It's like agreement of every group of the people. As we know, the ruling of any nation is just done by the different political parties. Means different political parties are the representatives of different community of the people of the society. Right? So it's like an agreement in which every political party or every group are just agreed for the ruling, and every group of peoples and every political party just understand and feel that they are the important component, important subordinates to taking any decision. Right? So it's power sharing is nothing but sharing of the responsibility among the different group of people. The next definition, power sharing is a term. Power sharing is a term used to describe a system of governance. Clear? As I explained earlier, power sharing is nothing but it's a system of governance in which all major segments of the society are provided a permanent share. When every component of society are just understand that they are shared component of the society, they will not feel alienated and politics be successful, the political system be successful. Whenever you just think about your family, you and maybe your brother and sister, if every brother, all brother and sister will be given equal portion of chocolate, then it may be possible there is not feeling of jealous and alienations. But whenever the big brother will be given 2 chocolate and younger brother will be given 1 chocolate, there is feeling of alienation started. Right? So to reduce the possibility of the alienation, this system is much more important, because whatever the people or the community, just majority or in minority, just wanting there should be equal treatment with them. Right? So for this purpose, that there is not sentiments of jealousness among the peoples, there is need of power sharing. Now the third definition, this system is often contrasted with government versus opposition system, in which ruling coalitions rotate among various social groups over time. Means it's a comparison, whatever the system is just going on, and in that system what is the ratio of the proportionality of the every community, and it is compared to another possible ruling system. Whenever the existing political system, existing ruling system will not give equal opportunities to every community of the people, just people's just contrasting with the other system, that it may be the other system will work better, right? Means, try to understand with one more example. Whenever a government is just working in country, when a government is in majority in country by election, right? But that government do not fulfill the desire of the every communities, right? The government is just opposed by the peoples, and in this situation, whenever the next time election be happen, the peoples just forwarded to vote those political party who earlier do not provide a good ruling system, and peoples just give to opposition political parties for making the government. It means that it perhaps the thinkings of the people that whatever the earlier government which was given vote do not share the power, and it was the expectation of peoples that whatever the another political party they will be given vote next time might be do better and give more opportunity for the power sharing, as there is much more and more participation of the people, right? So power sharing is nothing but division of power on different level, on different component of government, as no one can be supreme and everyone are just bonded and interrelated to each other, right? And there is not a group in the society they feel they are alienated, they are not treated equally. So power sharing is essential. The chapter is just starting. A lot of concept you have to study. I know in today's video there is some doubts, there is a lot of questions in your mind, but I just promise you, whenever you will complete this chapter, all those arised question be eliminated yourself, right? So very interestingly, I will come in front of you with further information of chapter in coming video, and in coming video we will study the two countries, Sri Lanka and Belgium, and whenever you will study the example of Sri Lanka and Belgium, you have a clear concept of power sharing. So with this hope your desire be fulfilled. Wait for coming video. Thank you. Have a nice day. And one more thing, notes work should be completed and regular interaction with classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day.